Okay, so I'm back for a wee amateur beehive update. First one since Christmas. Me and my son Aston, we both got new beekeeping suits for Christmas, yay! So what better way to celebrate than checking on how the girls are doing and the boys. So yeah, hopefully we'll see a bit of honey getting produced. If not for us, then at least for their stores for next winter. It is still sort of the first cycle through of these lot of bees we're having, so we haven't got super high hopes, but fingers crossed for some brood, some honey. See if we can spot Queenie, see how we go. Not a lot happening on these outer ones.
But they've started creating that stuff.
They've started building up a bit more on these.
Yeah.
But I'm not seeing sort of honey as such.
Mum flew down the end while I was busy, so I think I got them all, but I want to get the next 5 out. In here?
No, I don't think so. Looks like those two are storing things though. Heads down, bums up. That's a lot busier. Oh yeah, you can see some glistening nectar on there. Yeah, just under the main thing of bees over here. You can kind of see it glistening in the sun. Certainly storing honey on the queen excluder, that's not really what we want, but you know.
Oh, is that?
Can't really see what's going on.
Oh yeah, heaps of brood.
Oh yeah, lots of brood.
In that corner just over there, honey.
Lots of brood and lots of honey.
Oh wow.
See if I can spot Queenie.
The middle one. Oh yep, there's larvae here. Lots of it.
Really?
Yep, on the outside.
Lots of brood.
Oh yep, there's honey.
Oh yeah. Honey at the top there. Can't really see what the camera's seeing.
Oh no,
anything. There's lots of larvae. Terrific. But any with head down, bums up over the brood are probably feeding the babies.
There's quite a few of them down there. Oh, is that Queenie? Right there?
No. Oh, there's Queenie.
Where? Where?
Towards Sam's side there.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Right there.
Yep. Cool. Hey Queenie, how you doing? You been busy? On these bottom ones, I was going to leave for the bees.
Oh, gee. There's heaps of larvae.
Oh yeah. They're absolutely cranking. Lots of pollen, lots of honey, lots of larvae, lots of brood. Heavy, heavy.
How heavy?
Heavy, heavy.
Like
honey,
really?
larvae. All nectar.
Yeah,
What a heap of nectar they've stored. Oh yeah.
They've got nectar in there.
Yep, they do that. That's right. Yeah, they're just sort of saying, hey guys, here you go, here's a place to put it. A few of them on that duty. They've all got duties. They're great.
Oh, there's one doing a different one. There's actually one turning around there.
What's it doing? Some kind of circle dance?
Yeah, it's doing a circle one.
Yeah, they're all telling each other different things.
That's cool.
So there we go. That was quite cool. I was not very enthusiastic when we saw the top box with no honey on it, but I think that'll be getting filled up pretty soon because that bottom one is groaning. So, fingers crossed. Okay, so back for another quick check. It's been a good few weeks since we've last checked on them. We've sort of been out and about over the holidays on camping trips and stuff, so let's see if we can spot Queenie again. Hopefully they've got a bit more honey going on, so let's have a look.
Oh yeah.
They're sticking this to the top. A lot more going on in this top box than what there was. Oh, I'll have to scrape all that off.
Oh,
yeah.
They're all me, not you.
I'm not sure like is the word. absolutely nutty. Certainly a lot of nectar getting put on these. Shiny stuff.
Maybe if I stand over here.
Oh yeah, heaps of.
Oh, good.
Heaps of nectar.
Heaps.
Heaps of nectar there. They're just starting to cover some of that over, so that'll be some honey. Oh yay, we got honey on the top box. Covered over stuff. That's all pollen. So yeah, you got all the capped over honey going on there. Awesome, that's better. That's what I like to see.
All going on to me.
All that lovely honey. Yay. Oh, that is brood. Oh. There's been building on it and a bit of brood going on there. See brood, see larvae in there, little grubbies. So Queenie's obviously still around and doing. Heaps of brood, heaps of girly cells along with boy drones. I'm going to pack this up now. I won't check the rest of it just because these they're going absolutely nuts. Aston just got stuck. So I'm going to head back. I'll make sure he's alright. Normally I bring the smoker, and I brought it down here and I forgot to bring the lighter for it, and we thought, oh, it'll be fine, they're normally reasonably docile. They're going nuts. Typical. That I think is the craziest I have ever seen our beehive. For reasons why, I don't know, maybe a population explosion or what. It's not like they've completely filled up all the boxes with honey and larvae and stuff. But yeah, wow, I decided just to stop the check there. I decided not to go and try and find Queenie or anything. So as I say, Aston just got himself stung. He doesn't have any gloves that fit him, he's outgrown his own gloves. So, you know, he was being brave. But he's fine, just for the record, he's pretty tough. But yeah, it's good to see some honey going on in the top box, still heaps of larvae, lots of brood going on. So Queenie is obviously still there, still doing her thing. Boy, are they busy. So yeah, cool. Just to keep you updated there. So hit the like button, leave me a comment, subscribe, and we will catch you next week. Bye. Oh, crazy. Crazy, crazy.